So, morning to all of you, and on behalf
Morning.
of to Success team, I, Alia Jamil, along with we have Dr. Sana and Fat, expertise in their own respective fields. They will update you about their expertise as and when they start. Jamil, and I'm a counseling psychologist as well as a life skills and mindset wellness mentor. So today we are here basically to, concerning about a thing which, is very, very necessary during our journey in whether you are a small girl, uh, la- uh, a young girl, I will say a small child, as a female progress in your 20s, 30s, and you go in your adulthood, then when you start aging. In all these ages, there is something inside a woman's body which, really needs a lot of attention. And this, especially this thing which we are going to discuss today, is, it creates sometimes uh, havoc in a life of a woman. So how to deal with it and how to, face whatever challenges this hormones throw into the woman's body and in her life. So how we are going to face those challenges and find, easy to follow solutions and rectify it. We will get to know from two expertise which are on board with us. To begin with, as usual, we know I have many of my lovely friends here who are a regular part of the sessions. They already know that whenever we start the session, we go through the beginning with a deep breathing session. So we'll do that deep breathing 3 rounds, and so that we are relaxed from mind as well as body. So let's start. Let us sit straight, everyone. Sit straight with your shoulders relaxed. Don't make your body tight. Relax your shoulders and close your eyes. Gently close your eyes. We'll do just 3 rounds. Okay. I will do the counts and you'll do breathing. When I say breathe in, I will count till 4. So till the count of 4, you keep on breathing in. Then after that, after breathing in, you hold on. Don't breathe out. Hold on. I will count for a number of 7. Till that time, you will hold on. And once 7, I count till 7, then you exhale. I will say exhale, and you will exhale out completely till the count of 8. That is called deep breathing. Okay, let's begin the first round. Let's start. Gently close your eyes. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Exhale out completely. Next round, let's do again. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale. Exhale completely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And the last round. Let's take a last round. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's it. Now rub your hands. Rub your hands nicely and place it on your eyes. Place your palms on your eyes and slowly open your eyes and remove your hand. That's it. I think after this breathing session, we do feel a bit energized and calm. So regularly we need to practice this breathing and This not only gives you a cool mindset, but it is also very, very useful for your body and for your lungs, the health of your lungs. Now, to begin with, as we progress, the today's topic is tame the chaos. Now, tame the chaos is the chaos which goes on in the inside our body, inside a woman's body. Now, this main chaotic, I would say, uh, hidden thing is the hormones which really play a big havoc in your life, whether you are in your puberty or you are going through your menses period, then later on in your perimenopause, menopause. It creates lots of challenges which, you know, being a woman, I think we can understand. The males around us, they don't understand what's going on. And during this time, uh, yeah, it's not like they don't love us or something, because we do get it during those time, those feelings. Oh,
Yeah,
my
I got
husband
it.
is not um, uh, bothered about me, what challenges I'm going through. So uh, uh, it is just that he is not understanding what's going on around you. So the best part, as a mindset wellness coach, from my point of view, I'm going to tell you a few certain things which will really help you during these times, during your, you know, uh, pre-menses, as your menses are going to come, when you are going to get your menses, go through those struggling periods. So the first and foremost is meditation. Meditation is deep breathing you do early in the morning before sleeping. It will really help to, have your a good lung health for you, as well as it will keep your mind also calm. And apart from this, we always recommend journaling. Journaling is the best way to jot down your thoughts, and it really helps, to keep all those worries and those stress away. Now, instead of going through a lecture method, I'm going to do a quick question answer round. As I had told, if you have a pen and a sheet of paper with you all, you will just jot down the answers. I will say the question to you, listen to the question carefully, and when you answer, just put, if I say question number one, you put number one, and that answer I don't want it very elaborate like a big passage. You can just write it in words, phrases, or even you can draw a smiley or a sad face for it. That is also okay. Okay, so we will do quick round of question answer round. Now, to begin with, the first and foremost thing is like, now, as we started the day in the early morning, let's check in. What's your internal weather right now? Outside, the weather is very hot, that I know. But what weather is going inside you, that you can just write it down on the paper, or just draw a emoticon, also a smiley, something, or sad, whatever it is. Number one, what's your internal weather right now? That is just one word or an emoji or a phrase. Done? Shall I go to the second one?
Yes.
What's one small thing that instantly boosts your mood? One
Oh,
small thing that will instantly boost up your mood.
coffee.
That's the number two. I know that. Your cup is the revealer of your mood. Okay, done everyone. So before we go ahead, I want just quick one or two people to tell about what's your internal weather right now.
Fever.
Somebody can raise their hand. Yeah, no. Yeah, Gayatri.
मॉर्निंग हो गया भगवान. Well, will be my first feeling as soon as I get up because of summer na nowadays nights are very less compared to the day.
Yeah.
So and here
Mhm.
school starts early in the morning, which you also know. So I feel the
Yes.
same, like सुबह जब भी तभी हो गया सुबह, oh God, like this.
We can have some more.
I have fever. My weather is that.
Who's that with the fever?
Me.
Okay.
Tanasa.
Uh-huh. What
It's the
about
same with
Dilshad?
me.
Can we?
It's
What?
the same with me. It was kind of hurry burry, so many things to do, planning the tiffin, getting the kid ready for school because he had a dress up day at school for sustainability
Uh-huh.
theme.
Okay.
So it was like a lot of hurry burry, and I had all thoughts of planning my day. That was the internal weather.
Mm.
Anyone, one more, somebody who wants to talk about
Yes,
what's the internal
Assalamu
weather
alaikum.
going
Samira
on?
here.
Walaikum
Yeah.
assalam.
Yeah, Samira here.
Walaikum
Um,
salam.
I think every morning I'm fussy and confused and feeling heavy because I wake up at 5 for prayer, then I wake up at 8 to make breakfast for my daughter and my husband, and then I go back to sleep and wake up again at 10. So these routines are keeping me really heavy and confused, and it's a deep sleep after all, but then
Yeah.
by 10, I wake up with a heavy and confused headache. I don't know how to get rid of the sleeping pattern.
It's difficult.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, like basically from friends here who have told us that how is the
I am
internal weather
Nanga.
going on.
बाबू ने क्या कहा हमसे? I am Nanga.
So we can understand here that basically as women, when we wake up in the morning, we have so many responsibilities, as Dilshad said, and Gayatri also said that we have to prepare our children's lunch boxes and the breakfast and all. So I wouldn't say confused, it's a type of a hectic schedule for us early in the morning,
Hmm.
right? As we wake up, we rush to the
Yeah,
kitchen
a
and all.
lot of rush, hush, I
So
would say.
yeah, it's a big rush, like you're just running here and
अन्ना
there
भी
from
काम
one
करती हूँ
room to
बेटा.
another.
अभी डैडी यार
So,
उनके साथ
like a
जाना चाह
bit,
रहे
yeah, instead of this, creating a
हैं. डैडी
mindset
के
in
पास
such a
मनी
way
भी
that
है.
we are all in
नहीं,
a
डैडी के
fix
पास
in the
ज्यादा कुछ
morning,
मनी.
very jumbled state and all. So, instead of that, how we can remain cool and keep ourselves cool is by uh, practicing meditation. As I told in the beginning, before sleeping, do 3-4 rounds of this deep breathing and uh, there was someone who told us that they wake up early in the morning and for the prayer time. After the prayers, also just do 2 or 3 rounds of the uh, deep breathing. It will really give you a calm mind, and then things will slowly relax. Now, when the next question was, what's one small thing that instantly gives a boost to your mood? We had Dr. Sana saying a cup of coffee. Evelina, Pavi Brinda, anybody can tell us what's that one small thing that you can put it in the chat box also.
Can I answer for this?
Yeah, sure.
A
Driving
sweet
from
hug.
home
Yeah, a sweet
boosting.
hug from my daughter. It gives me more energy.
So sweet. That's
Yeah,
true.
yeah, that's so sweet. Yeah. Definitely, when we get a warm hug from the people
Yeah,
we love, that
yeah.
really is a booster, self booster as well as a emotion booster. So it is. Now, let's go to the next question. What's your go-to self-care ritual when you're feeling hormonally haunted? Okay? If you're feeling hormonally haunted, if you feel that something is going wrong inside yourself. So, what is that one thing that is a go-to self-care ritual which you do? It can be anything funny or real also. It can be something funny as, some people, they get that who love dancing and all, they feel that a small break and a big twist here and there really gives them a boost to come away from that
I go to
hormonal.
shopping.
Amazing. Yeah.
That is
What
your
Shopping for
I
booster
myself.
and your husband's heart attack.
No, he will not. He will definitely not because I hardly go. But whenever I go, he says, "Do as much as you want." So there is
Oh
nothing
my
like,
God.
no worries about the money issues, nothing concern about it. If I'm not, I hope I can raise my concern during the periods. I hope it is a good time to talk, or should I wait for all the end till the end of the session?
End of the session, we will have a question answer
Oh,
round where
okay, fine. So I will wait,
Dr.
not an
Sana
issue.
and
So for
no,
the third
okay.
question, I would like to go for shopping.
That's good.
what
And I can see in the chat box somebody is saying drinking water. I had Valina saying Zumba. That's really a booster, really. And
something as
then
small as, stimulating your vagus nerve will also help you like reduce your overwhelm, what happens during your hormones. So how you stimulate it is by humming or singing is the easiest, or taking a cold shower and things like that. So this will really help you boost your mood when you're down with your PMS or other issues.
Okay.
yeah, that's good. Now the next fourth question is complete this sentence. I'm giving you one sentence. You have to complete it. My mental health would improve by 200% if dash dash dash. 200%. Remember, not 100%. It is you have to give it a double booster. My mental health would improve by 200% if dash. Anything, be free to. Yeah, Rania has written vacation. Vacation is really, which even I crave for, But with the school going children, it's like we have to think about so many things when they are going to have vacation and all. So vacation really is a 200% booster for your mental health. What else? Yeah, if I lose weight and get back my dream body and my dream vacation. Okay, Nikhat, that is also good.
We can help you with that.
More than lose weight, and Nikhat, I would say if you have an overall healthy body, that is also more, good than just losing weight. Yeah, so we have Lakshmi saying yoga. That's
You're
also
right.
good. Soda, can I have some? Yeah, Brinda is that fit. Exactly. When we have a very healthy body, that is a big, blessing also from above for us. So it's not just, we don't have to just focus on losing weight, but natural, we need to keep ourselves within the parameters, not go obese. Yet, it is like the best is to have an overall healthy body. That counts. And Rania has mentioned one very important thing, that is a very good night's sleep. That is also very, very important for the mental health. It is like a double booster for your body. And here I would say, Dr. Shaheen says, talking to my best buddy. That is really very wonderful because for your mental health, having a set of friends and a group whom you meet often and you talk to them is really, really very important to keep all your stress and anxieties away. And I was coming back to the sleeping part of it. Now, sleeping part is like we have heard so many times people, and so many times we have read in articles that 7 to 8 hours night sleep is important. That is important, but I would say more than just the quantity of the sleep, your quality of the sleep should be very good. If your quality sleep is very good, even if you sleep for say 5 hours or 6 hours, quality sleep, a deep slumber, If you will wake up, you will feel very, very energized and, good to go with your daily routine. So for a good night's sleep, there are, nowadays the marketing strategies are take the herbal tea and this. But apart from these, yes, exercising keeps me happy. So exercise, a proper diet, a proper routine of sleeping, and again, practicing meditation helps you to have a good night's sleep. Now we come to a last question before I hand over to Dr. Sana. One last question is, describe your mental wellness in 3 emojis. Your personal, okay? Everybody, personally, your mental wellness in 3 emojis. Like for me, whatever is my mental state, according to that, I will put 3 emojis. I got a very lovely emojis from Gayatri. I want to see more.
Mm.
iPhone 3 to everyone. That's very nice. If you have put all those smileys and those hilarious ones, that means you are in a good mind state as your mental wellness is going good.
Me also, the iPhone 3.
Acha, iPhone 3 is you. Okay, that's lovely.
Like,
So,
oh, thank you.
okay. So now, as I can see lots of those emojis coming in, I can understand Rania with a small toddler can be frustrated at all times. So she has given that emoji. So now, before we go further, we have Dr. Sana with us, who is going to take over from me from here, and she is going to guide you further about these hormones and what are the different challenges we face with these hormones. Over to you, Dr. Sana.
Thank you so much, Alia Baji. But I think this meeting is going to end soon.
Yeah, just you can have a quick and then we can join. And we would request everybody to join in.
Yes,
With the
inshallah.
same link?
Yes, absolutely.
Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Good morning. And I'm Dr. Sana Azim. I'm a specialist gynecologist. I work in Dubai. और आज I'm so thankful for all here, and we are going to talk about a very common problem which is faced by young girls and also the ones who are in the reproductive age. It is called PCOD or PCOS. तो ये दो चीजें अक्सर लोग बोलते हैं ना कि पीसीओडी है कि पीसीओएस है, तो इन दोनों में फर्क क्या होता है? सबसे पहले तो ये समझें, पीसीओडी यानी कि पॉलीसिस्टिक ओवेरियन डिजीज और पीसीओएस इज पॉलीसिस्टिक ओवेरियन सिंड्रोम। फर्क इतना ही है कि डिजीज इज ओनली जब जो ओवरीज होती है ना वो अफेक्टेड होती हैं, और सिंड्रोम होता है कि जब बहुत सारी अफेक्टेड हो सकता है। पीसीओडी इज मेनली लेस कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, ठीक है। ये इसमें ज्यादातर होता है क्योंकि आजकल के बच्चे लाइफस्टाइल जो है उनका वो बड़ा ही मतलब अलग सा है कि वो सोएंगे पूरे वक्त बिस्तर में है, फोन के साथ है, उनका खाना पीना इज नॉट गुड एट ऑल, घर का खाना बहुत मुश्किल से खाते हैं। तो ये ज्यादातर पीसीओडी वाले पेशेंट्स होते हैं और ये बहुत आसानी से मैनेज हो जाता है, इसमें कॉम्प्लिकेशंस कम होती हैं। लेकिन पीसीओएस जो होता है उसमें आपकी डायबिटीज यानी कि इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस हो सकता है, आपको थायराइड प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, आपके हार्मोन्स गड़बड़ होंगे, इनफर्टिलिटी का इशू होगा। तो ये सारा पीसीओएस होता है। ये दो चीज तो आपने इस तरह से अलग कर ली। अब हम लोग जानते हैं, अगर बीच में किसी को भी कुछ सवाल आ रहे हैं ना तो आप उसको लिख के डाल दें ताकि हम उसको भी कवर कर देंगे, ठीक है। तो पीसीओएस और पीसीओडी जो भी है इसमें होते सिम्टम्स एक से हैं, लेकिन थोड़े थोड़े पीसीओडी में कम होते हैं, पीसीओएस में ज्यादा होते हैं। अब क्या है? सबसे पहले तो पीरियड्स इरेगुलर होते हैं, क्योंकि ये पता हमें तभी चलता है जब बच्चों को, लड़कियों को पीरियड्स शुरू होते हैं कि उनके पीरियड्स इरेगुलर हैं। अब इरेगुलर का क्या मतलब हुआ? जब बच्चे के पीरियड शुरू होते हैं तब तो इरेगुलर होते ही होते हैं, 1 साल लगते हैं बच्चियों को पीरियड्स को रेगुलर करने में कि मतलब कभी 2 महीने नहीं आ रहे, 3 महीने नहीं आ रहे। लेकिन अगर एक बार पीरियड्स रेगुलर हो जाते हैं, यानी कि जब से पीरियड शुरू हुआ है उसके 2-3 साल तक हम ये सोचते हैं कि हाँ भाई ये बिकॉज बॉडी हॉर्मोन्स को एडजस्ट करिए इसलिए नहीं हो रहे हैं। उसके बाद जब ये पीरियड्स रेगुलर हो जाते हैं, उसके बाद भी अगर आपके पीरियड्स इरेगुलर है, यानी कि हर महीने नहीं आ रहे हैं, देखो 5-6 दिन ऊपर नीचे होना इज नॉर्मल, लेकिन अगर 35 डेज से ऊपर हो गए, महीना नहीं आया, 2 महीने नहीं आया, 3 महीने नहीं आया, उसके बाद बहुत हैवी आ रहे हैं, या फिर हमको आ ही नहीं रहे, पीरियड्स ही नहीं हो रहे हैं, 6-6 महीना हो गया नहीं हो रहे हैं तो बहुत कम हो रहे हैं, और यानी कि जैसे नॉर्मल होता है ना वैसे नहीं हो रहे, स्कैंटी हो रहे हैं, बहुत कम, जो स्पॉटिंग हो रही है, कुछ इस तरह से हो रहा है। तो ये सारी चीजों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि बच्चों के उसके बाद सारी चीजों को, और ये अपने लेटे रहना है, हमारा काम नहीं हो रहा है, या
I think everybody has to put off their microphone. I couldn't hear enough for at least 5 minutes.
or is it? Is it okay now?
Yes, Sana.
ओके, तो हम लोग बात कर रहे थे, सबसे पहले कंप्लेंट जो पॉलीसिस्टिक ओवरीज की होती है वो होती है इरेगुलर पीरियड्स। जब बच्चों को पीरियड शुरू होते हैं तो इरेगुलर पीरियड्स से सबसे पहले कंप्लेन करते हैं, फिर वेट गेन होने लगता है, उसके बाद एक्ने आते हैं, यहाँ पे आएंगे, पीठ में आएंगे, चेस्ट पे भी आ सकते हैं, फेशियल हेयर, यहाँ पे जो ना ये बहुत ज्यादा हेयर होता है, या अपर लिप में बहुत मतलब नॉर्मल से ज्यादा होंगे, चेस्ट पे हेयर होता है और पेट पे हेयर हो जाते हैं, और जो हाथ पैर होते हैं उसमें भी बहुत ज्यादा होने लगते हैं, नॉर्मल ग्रोथ से ज्यादा। लेकिन सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होता है ये वाला, यहाँ पे हेयर ज्यादा आने लगते हैं बच्चों के, और अपर लिप पे बहुत आते हैं, कभी कभी ये चिन पे बहुत आ जाते हैं। तो ये एक चीज का ध्यान रखना है। उसके बाद बहुत ज्यादा थकान लगने लगती है इन बच्चियों को, इनका मतलब ब्रेन।
For picking her child.
श्योर श्योर।
Gayatri, you have to ask something.
Hi, doctor.
Hello.
How are you?
Alhamdulillah, thank you so much.
Okay. My concern is only one thing about the acne during the periods. As you
Hmm.
can see over my face, in the same way I have in my back also.
Hmm.
So it is like whenever I go to dermatologist, she
Hmm.
says it's related to the menstrual cycle and also
Hormones.
because of heat, because of overheat. And she asked me to have lots of water. Though
Hmm.
I'm having liters of water, I could not get resist from this acne. So can
नहीं,
you please suggest?
you don't need to have liters of water to get rid of
Mm,
acne. See, in
yeah.
क्या होता है in periods ना, because of this hormonal imbalance, क्योंकि periods में
Mm,
hormones dip होते हैं, कुछ hormone dip होते हैं, तो उसकी वजह से आपको periods होता है। तो बहुत लोग जो होते हैं ना इसी वजह से अफेक्टेड होते हैं, ये जो एक्ने होते हैं स्पेशली चिन पे होंगे, या फिर आपके जॉ लाइन
yeah.
पे होंगे,
Yeah.
चीक पे होंगे, है ना, तो ये इसकी वजह से होता है। प्लस अगर आपकी स्किन ऑयली है देन इट इज very likely that you will have these acnes there. So what you can do is, I don't know, dermatologist will recommend you that you can use this salicylic acid cream for
Okay.
your hormones during that period, or also take supplements जिसमें कि you will have zinc, vitamin B6 और omega 3। ये supplements आप
Okay.
you can have all the time, like one tablet every day. Okay,
Okay.
zinc is very helpful for this reduction of acne. Or
Okay.
आप, are you on any birth control pills? Then also you will be
No,
prone
no,
to
no,
this.
no,
No.
nothing. I'm happy
हाँ.
with one child. That's
Okay, okay,
it.
great. So these are the
Mm,
only things which you can do. Otherwise,
okay.
if you are having these acne problems in your periods from since forever, then
Mm.
forget it. It will not go. कैसे
Oh.
रहेगा?
No, this is happening like recently since I came to Dubai. I
Ah,
could
okay.
feel too much of heat in my body
Yes.
and also this all. Otherwise, I have a very clear skin.
Hmm. All right. Then you need to change some lifestyle changes आपको करने पड़ेंगे, because environmental changes are also responsible for skin changes.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Just
Thank
a
you
little
so
bit
much.
of meditation, exercise, and
Yeah,
salicylic acid cream.
I do
This is
yoga every day.
That's great. That's great.
Thank you.
I don't think any other thing. If your hormones are normal, then nothing to worry. If it's during
Yeah.
periods, then after periods it goes away, right?
No, it doesn't go. It stays.
Oh.
You can see the pigmentations over here. It stays till my
Okay.
next cycle comes. So I am a bit
Okay,
worried
okay.
about those pimples only. And this
All
is
right, all right.
happening since last year.
Okay. Then for the skin only, you have to for sure apply sunscreen every day.
Okay.
ओके इवन इफ यू आर नॉट गोइंग आउट अब हमें घर से भी आते हैं ना शीशों से भी आते हैं अंदर रेज आते हैं
Yes,
सो
yes.
अप्लाई सनस्क्रीन रिलीजियसली एवरी डे इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट
Okay.
अपना एक मल्टीविटामिन लीजिए जिसमें कि जिंक हो विटामिन B6
Okay.
B12 हो और ओमेगा
Okay.
3 ओके
Okay.
दिस विल
Fine.
हेल्प बट
Fine.
इट विल
Thank
नॉट
you.
डू मैजिc you have to take it
Yeah.
and then it
I have
helps
lots of patience. I can wait.
yes
Yeah,
thank you
So
thank you so much.
if
And
you're
thank you,
leaving
Alia. It was
Gayatri,
such a lovely meeting. And so sorry, I have to leave because my daughter is going to come now. And
okay
thank you once again, doctor. And thank you so much, Alia. You are very helpful all the time. Thank you.
thank you so much. Okay, so let's start with the symptoms of PCOS. Okay, I have covered like irregular periods honge. You will have acne, you will have fatigue, you will have then you will have brain fog. Brain fog is also one a very common symptom in PCOD कि जब बच्चे ना भूलने लगते हैं लड़कियां भूलने लगती हैं कि हम वहाँ गए क्या करने गए I don't remember that kind of thing or hair like I told you then there will be digestive issues especially bloating inflammation all these will be also responsible for the weight gain so bloating is very common symptom in this PCOS then you have hair loss मतलब यहाँ पे तो ज्यादा होने लगते हैं लेकिन स्कैल्प से हेयर गिरने लगते हैं फिर एक बहुत कॉमन सी चीज होती है आप अक्सर ना गर्दन पे बड़े डार्क लाइंस होती हैं Acanthosis nigricans we call that और या फिर स्किन टैग्स होने लगते हैं तो ये पीसीओएस में होता है जबकि इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस होता है दिस इज आल्सो वन साइन ऑफ पीसीओएस और very very important thing not to forget in PCOS is that we have to reduce the level of anxiety and stress क्योंकि स्ट्रेस एंजाइटी और लाइफस्टाइल ये जो खाना पीना है और हमारा भाग दौड़ का रूटीन है विदाउट एनी टाइम विच वी गिव फॉर आवरसेल्व्स is responsible for these hormonal changes in our body especially in younger females who are in the reproductive age तो ये तो बहुत जरूरी होता है इसको मैनेज करना ओके इट्स वेरी इजी टू से इट बट ऑफ कोर्स जिसको करना होता है वो बहुत मुश्किल होता है सो यू हैव टू गिव योरसेल्फ सम टाइम हाउ टू रिड्यूस फेशियल हेयर इन द बॉडी देखिए ये इसके लिए आपको आई एम कमिंग टू इट ओके आई विल टेल यू पीसीओडी और पीसीओएस विल पीसीओएस स्पेशली विल नॉट गो अवे ठीक है ये कभी नहीं जाता है अगर एक बार आपको हो गया है तो इसका मैनेजमेंट है बट इसका क्योर नहीं है कि ये पूरी तरह से आप इससे रिड हो जाएंगे ऑल्दो आजकल कुछ लोग अपना जो यानी कि एलोपैथिक नहीं मतलब अलग वाली ऑल्टरनेटिव मेडिसिन के साथ में बोलते हैं कि चला जाता है आई एम नॉट श्योर ऑफ दैट लेकिन मेडिकली इट इज नॉट क्योरेबल इट विल बी मैनेज्ड ऑफ कोर्स मैनेजेबल है पीसीओएस जो लाइफस्टाइल की वजह से होता है या पोस्ट पिल पीसीओएस भी होता है एक चीज वो सब हाँ वो सब आपका जा सकता है ओके अब जब आपको भी पता चल गया कि हमारे अंदर ये चीजें हो रही हैं आप डॉक्टर के पास जाएंगे ठीक है डोंट ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट योरसेल्फ गो टू द डॉक्टर चेक गेट योरसेल्फ इवैल्यूएटेड जब आप डॉक्टर के पास जाएंगे तो सबसे पहले डॉक्टर जो है वो आपका अल्ट्रासाउंड करेगी अल्ट्रासाउंड से हमें पता चलेगा कि ओवरीज में आपके क्या चल रहा है सिस्ट है कि कितने हैं कितने लेवल का हो रहा है आपका कितनी सिवियरिटी है एक बार आपका अल्ट्रासाउंड होगा और आपका हार्मोनल टेस्ट बोलेंगी करने के लिए तो वो कराइए ठीक है उसको मतलब उसको छोड़िए नहीं क्योंकि हार्मोन से ही हमें पता चलेगा कि कौन से हार्मोन्स हैं जो कि आपको प्रॉब्लम दे रहे हैं उस हिसाब से ट्रीटमेंट होता है आपका उसके बाद टेस्ट में आपका क्योंकि जितने बच्चे होते हैं ना पीसीओडी पीसीएस के इनके अंदर आयरन डेफिशिएंसी और विटामिन डी डेफिशिएंसी जरूर होती है यहाँ पे तो वैसे सभी को होती है यूएई में लेकिन फिर भी इन लोग के अंदर ज्यादा होती है तो आपका एक ये आयरन कराइए अपना हॉर्मोन्स कराइए विटामिन डी कराइए उसके बाद आपको ब्लड शुगर का कराना होगा ठीक है क्योंकि ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है मेटाबॉलिक डिसऑर्डर्स इसके अंदर यानी कि डायबिटीज और थायराइड इसका टेस्ट जरूर कराना होगा। उसके बाद अगर आप फर्टिलिटी प्रॉब्लम से गुजर रहे हैं, यू वांट टू कंसीव एंड यू कैन नॉट कंसीव, देन ऑफ कोर्स द डॉक्टर विल डू योर AMH आल्सो। AMH से वी कम टू नो दैट व्हाट इज द क्वांटिटी ऑफ योर एग्स देयर इन द ओवरीज, ठीक है। एंड ऑल्सो एक टेस्ट होता है प्रोलैक्टिन, वो कराते हैं। तो ये वाले टेस्ट लाजमी है कि डॉक्टर्स विल एडवाइज दैट यू हैव टू गेट दीज डन। उसके बाद हम इसमें क्या सबसे पहले मैनेजमेंट के लिए हम क्या बोलेंगे कि आप अपना डाइट चेंज करें। डाइट के लिए आप मतलब खाएं, सब कुछ खाएं। आई नेवर एडवाइज माई पेशेंट्स कि तुम छोड़ दो, कि चावल छोड़ दोगे, रोटी छोड़ दो, ये कर दो। नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है ना, कोई कर पाता है। ये बहुत लॉन्ग टर्म नहीं होता है ये ना, जो एकदम स्ट्रिक्ट हो जाते हैं जब, वो लॉन्ग टर्म कभी नहीं चल पाता है। अब धीरे धीरे करके कम करो। इफ यू आर टेकिंग 3 रोटीज, अपना 2.5 रोटी कर दो। चावल खा रहे हो, 1 बोल खा रहे हो, उसमें से 2 चम्मच सिर्फ निकाल दो कि ये नहीं खाना है चावल, वो बाकी का खा लो, ठीक है। सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन चेंज योर डाइट स्लोली स्लोली। उसके बाद आप अपना, लेकिन हाँ, प्रिजर्वेटिव फूड को प्लीज बंद कर दें, वो मत खाओ। वो दैट इज वेरी वेरी हार्मफुल। जितना ये जो फ्रोजन नहीं आते फूड्स, दीज आर वेरी वेरी हार्मफुल, इसको मत खाओ। बाकी खूब सारा फ्रूट्स खाओ, खूब सारा प्रोटीन खाओ, एंड वट एवर यू आर ईटिंग मॉडरेशन में खाओ। मोर ऑफ दिस नगीन विल टेल यू, बट दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। उसके बाद एक्सरसाइज इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। यू नीड टू डू सम काइंड ऑफ फिजिकल एक्टिविटी, यानी कि आपको ये नहीं है कि जिम जाओ और 2-3 घंटा रिगरस आप एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हैं, दौड़ रहे हैं, डंबल्स उठा रहे हैं। आई एम नॉट सजेस्टिंग दैट, बट एटलीस्ट अ वॉक ऑफ 20 minutes, ब्रिस्क वॉक इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, ठीक है। दैट विल हेल्प यू अ लॉट। तो इससे क्या होगा, आपकी डायबिटीज के चांसेस कम होंगे, आपकी फर्टिलिटी और ओव्यूलेशन के मतलब जो चांसेस है ना, वो बढ़ते हैं, अच्छा हो जाता है। आपकी एंजाइटी कम होगी, एंड ऑफ कोर्स योर सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस यू विल बी इट विल बी बूस्टेड। ऑल राइट, फिर ये तो हम बेसिक आपको बताते हैं कि इस तरह से आप मैनेज करो। उसके बाद वी कम टू द मेडिसिन। वंस योर हार्मोन्स आर डन, एवरीथिंग इज डन। तो सबसे पहले अगर आपके पीरियड्स हैं, वैसे आई डोंट रिकमेंड, छोटी बच्चियों में हम कभी हार्मोन ट्रीटमेंट नहीं देते हैं, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट प्रो दैट। छोटे बच्चों को हार्मोन्स नहीं देने चाहिए। पर अगर आप फर्टिलिटी से जूझ रहे हैं, यू वांट टू कंसीव एंड यू आर इन दैट एज, देन ऑफ कोर्स आई गिव यू हार्मोन्स टू रेगुलेट योर पीरियड्स। तो वो देते हैं डॉक्टर, एंड उसको लो। ओके, डोंट थिंक, बहुत सारे हम देखते हैं पीपल आर कमेंटिंग दैट ये जैसे पिल्स जो दी जाती है रेगुलर करने के लिए, दैट डोंट टेक दिस, दिस विल डू दिस, दिस विल डू दैट। It will not do this and that if you are taking it under the guidance of a doctor. Doctor will not advise you to take it if it is going to harm you. Remember that always. So एक तो पिल्स दी जाती हैं आपको जो कि आपके पीरियड्स को रेगुलर करती हैं, और उसके बाद हम लोग आपको देते हैं कुछ मेडिसिन होती हैं जो कि पॉलीसिस्टिक वाले पेशेंट्स लेते हैं, जैसे कि अनासोटॉल और ग्लूकोफेज। ये अगर किसी को है इसमें से, दे मस्ट बी नोइंग दैट दीज आर द रेगुलर मेडिसिन वी गिव यू। बट ऑफ कोर्स इसकी डोज डिपेंड करती है कि मतलब आपके सिम्टम्स से, आपके वेट से, आपकी एज पे, और ऑफ कोर्स जो डॉक्टर आपसे हिस्ट्री लेगा उसके हिसाब से इसकी डोज डिपेंड करेगी। उसके बाद ये तो आपका एक पूरा हो गया, एक जो मेडिकली हम लोग देख के बताएंगे कि हाँ भाई पेशेंट इसके साथ में आया है, इसके ये टेस्ट कराने हैं, और इसका ये मैनेजमेंट करना है। फिर क्या होता है कि देर आर सम ऑल्टरनेटिव मेडिसिन, जैसे जस्ट नाउ आई सेड ना, तो बहुत सारे लोग आर इनटू इट। और आजकल इट इज आल्सो देर आर स्टडीज आल्सो दैट स्पीयरमिंट टी होती है, स्पीयरमिंट टी इज आल्सो हेल्पफुल इन मैनेजिंग योर हार्मोन्स, सो यू कैन टेक दैट alongside with your medicines. That is important. Okay. और अब नाउ यू कैन आस्क मी इफ देयर इज एनी क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज ये तो हमने आपको एक मेडिकली पूरा पढ़ा दिया है कि ये होता है। लेकिन अब जो लोग इससे परेशान हैं, उनको क्या प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, वो क्या जानना चाहते हैं, यू कैन आस्क मी। या दैट इज व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू, दैट डाइजेस्टिव इश्यूज बहुत कॉमन है, ब्लोटिंग स्पेशली। ब्लोटिंग इज वेरी कॉमन इन दिस, क्योंकि आपका जो मेटाबॉलिज्म है ना, वो एकदम कम हो जाता है ड्यूरिंग दीज हार्मोनल इश्यूज। सो कॉन्स्टिपेशन भी रह सकता है आपको, लाइक बहुत सारे डाइजेस्टिव इश्यूज हो सकते हैं। गट हेल्थ के लिए आपको द बेस्ट पर्सन टू टेल यू इज नगीन। शी विल बी कमिंग ऑन आफ्टर माय सेशन। ओके, बट ऑफ कोर्स कॉन्स्टिपेशन के लिए डॉक्टर्स विल गिव यू सम मेडिसिन, लेकिन आई विल एडवाइज यू डू नॉट डिपेंड ऑन लैक्सेटिव्स, दे आर नॉट गुड। एक बार खा लो ठीक है, लेकिन फॉर एवर हैविंग laxatives is not good. There are so many things which you can have on which are present in the kitchen. You can have those, और the safest होता है Dufalac. Dufalac का सिरप आप कभी ले सकते हो, but don't depend on these laxatives. Constipation in PCOS can be solved by regular exercises and your lifestyle changes and your diet change. Okay?
Basically, if you increase your fiber, तो
Yeah.
उसमें when let Sandra finish and I'll address that.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, laser is advisable. You can go for laser. You can go for laser. No worries at all. Laser is safe and it
Assalamualaikum,
doesn't
Dr.
harm you.
Sana.
Yep.
Dr. Sana, Assalamualaikum. Can you hear me?
Walaikum assalam. Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah. Yeah, Assalamualaikum, Alia, and Assalamualaikum, Dr. Nagin. Nice to, it's such a wonderful session that, people like us who are homebound and at the moment playing, juggling with hormones, it's,
Yes.
in our lifestyle, the daily lives, this session is really very, very fruitful. I'm very sure everyone will benefit from this. One
Thank-
question, very peculiar, what
Hmm.
I felt. Other than, the symptoms that you were speaking about in PCOS and PCOD, it is, I have recently, had all my investigations done. And I'm 2 years after my postpartum, sorry, postpartum. And so what I feel is that those symptoms that you were talking about, skin tags and a little pigmentation here and there, and eczema here and there, small blowouts of eczema. I do not have anything, alhamdulillah, concerning, with related to PCOS, PCOD. All my investigations are clear. Vitamin D level is also fine. Because I was thinking that maybe because of this, my weight is not reducing. So I had a complete investigation of, everything. Ultrasound also done for myself. So there was nothing detected as such. So what I'm trying to say is that beyond that, I'm having these symptoms. Just a few skin tags here and there. Like I told you, eczemas, breakouts here and there, small, and itching all the time. And also, like I said, pigmentation somewhere. So, but I don't have all those PCOS or PCODs. I don't have any of those, ailments.
So you have you ever done your diabetes test?
Yes, complete. I told you I've done a complete, it's just a month over now that I've done everything. So Alhamdulillah, by the grace of God, everything is normal. I do not have diabetes. I do not, vitamin D levels are also fine. Like I said, I'm just into postpartum and hormone, yes, of course, I'm into the menopause stage now. I'm entering the menopause stage because it's been a year, 6 months over that I haven't had at all my periods. So I'm assuming that now I'm at that stage.
So if all your tests are normal, everything is fine, then of course in the perimenopausal phase also these things happen. Very common
Acha.
symptoms. Skin tags are very common. Plus, very dry skin, and this can occur. So keep yourself moisturized. And as I said before, sunscreen is very, very important. Okay.
Okay.
आपका ये elbows पे भी होते हैं?
एल्बो पे हल्का सा एक्जिमा अब नोट कर रही हूँ एंड लाइक आई टोल्ड यू एल्बो पे है, आर्म पे है एंड इट्स
So
इचिंग अ लॉट एंड फुट पे है.
if you're in your perimenopausal phase, then of course these symptoms are very common, क्योंकि perimenopause में होता क्या है, estrogen hormone जो होता है ना वो कम होने लगता है, and this estrogen, all these dryness, बहुत जबरदस्त dryness cause करता है. Use the glycerine, mix it with your water, with that and apply. Okay, थोड़ा whenever in the night or sometime, because वो chip even with your eczema, even with your eczema it will help. Okay, aloe vera. What to do for low estrogen? Low estrogen के लिए कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं. If you are in your then of course you have to visit. आपके सिम्टम्स बहुत ज्यादा हैं तो फिर हम लोग हार्मोन रिप्लेसमेंट थेरेपी एडवाइस करते हैं या फिर कुछ क्रीम्स एडवाइस करते हैं. इफ यू आर ऑल्सो in the vaginal area, then of course it is definitely because of perimenopausal phase. और बाकी आप डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट को दिखा सकते हैं क्योंकि स्किन का तो ज्यादा वही बताएंगे.
Dr. Sana, there is a
Yeah.
question by Fozia also. Kindly check, please, in the chat box.
Afia, Mona, what to do? Mona ko I have addressed. Fozia ने क्या
I'll read out to you. She's saying, can you give some
Yeah, I read it. So you want me to
some insight on perimenopause and
should we
your voice is breaking, doctor.
because like
Yeah,
Perimenopausal
no, you can just
session happens, I will help them. No issues.
yeah, we can have
पेरीमेनोपॉज के
a
बारे में अगर
detail
आपको
on
मेडिकली
that.
कुछ जानना है then please
हाँ,
tell me
yeah.
about that. See, you will have irregular periods in the perimenopausal phase. आपके periods बड़े heavy हो सकते हैं. यानी 1-2 महीना period नहीं आएगा उसके बाद आएगा तो बहुत ही heavy आएगा. You will have clots. Then आपको नींद नहीं आएगी रात में. You'll suddenly feel very hot. पसीने सडनली पसीना आएगा. सडनली आपको लगेगा कि नहीं मुझे तो आपने एसी चलाया फिर आपको लगेगा नहीं मुझे तो ठंड लग रही है. ये होने लगेगा. एंड एज आई मेंशन्ड आपकी स्किन ड्राइनेस बहुत ज्यादा होगी. ब्रेन फॉग होगा. वजाइनल ड्राइनेस होती है. लॉस ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इन इंटिमेसी. ये सारे सिम्टम्स होंगे. उसके बाद बाल झड़ने लगेंगे क्योंकि हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस होता है ना उससे सब ये होता है. और मेटाबॉलिज्म आपका कम हो जाएगा. मेटाबॉलिज्म कम होने का मतलब है कि आपको जैसे कॉन्स्टिपेशन रहने लगेगा. आपको ब्लोटिंग रहने लगेगी. अजीब अजीब डकारें आती हैं ना बहुत सारे लोगों को वो होने लगता है. तो पेरीमेनोपॉज में ये सारी चीजें होती हैं. खासकर आपको अपने पीरियड्स का ध्यान रखना है कि पीरियड्स इस तरह से होते हैं इरेगुलर. एंड इफ यू आर विलिंग अपने डॉक्टर को दिखाएं तो वो आपके हार्मोन्स टेस्ट होते हैं. उससे पता चल जाता है कि आप पेरीमेनोपॉजल फेज में हैं कि मेनोपॉज होने वाला है. ठीक है.
Hot flashes also, no, doctor, during
Yeah,
perimenopause?
that's what वो जो hot flashes को ही बोलते हैं कि एकदम से गर्मी लगना एकदम से ठंड लगना. These are hot flashes.
I have lots of these with Nagin.
No issues. Most welcome.
Okay, anything more anybody wants to know from the medical point of view regarding PCOS or PCOD? If you are having,
Or just a
daughters,
message in the chat
somebody.
box. I will answer there.
Okay, fine. You can put it in the chat box. Then we can go over
Yeah.
to Nagin then.
हाँ. अगर इस सेशन के बाद भी if
अच्छा.
anybody wants to ask me anything,
Yeah.
reach out to me on TikTok or
Sana, there is
Instagram.
one question. Sana, there is one question on WhatsApp. I think to Gayatri, you mentioned some zinc and some supplement, right? So
हाँ.
she's asking, can you please suggest one brand or the tablet which has all those three contents in that? I think you said
Okay,
zinc,
okay.
omega.
Okay.
You
I
can
will message Alia
in the
Baji. She'll
group you
forward it to
can
you.
type later on.
I
In
will
the
do
group
that.
you can.
Yeah, I will do that.
And like as you recommend always, you can tell to our attendees also that omega is very important. Some people have that
Yeah.
mindset that supplements should not be taken. That is
No, I have
one
made
more
one
thing
video
going
also on
on.
this. If you go check my page, there's a video also that supplements. Should we take supplements? And I have recommended, yes.
Yeah,
And
and
this
we'll
is
do
only
one
not
session, doctor, about reading between the labels of the supplements. We'll do one
correct.
session
We
with
should do
you.
that, yes. And
So
supplements are
attendees know what to select.
yeah. और supplements के लिए there are studies. It's not कि doctors are just telling you take supplements. There are clinical studies and proven studies that how they help you. But it is not that आप जाएं and you start पॉपिंग इन कि कुछ भी उठाया सप्लीमेंट खाने लग गए, नहीं, अकॉर्डिंग टू व्हाट यू नीड टू टेक दैट.
We have Velina asking in the chat box.
Yeah. Velina, I cannot see. Velina, what about
She says,
consistent
she
lipovian?
writes, doctor has given me BioVit multivitamin and minerals.
Yeah,
Is that
BioVit is
okay?
fine. Yeah, it's fine. It's good.
Even magnesium is important, no, Dr. Sanna?
Yes, of course. Magnesium perimenopause और menopause में तो बहुत ज़्यादा important है because magnesium helps you sleep and also it is a big energy booster for your mood. Anxiety कम करता है. Magnesium is very important. Even latest studies, if your blood pressure is high, magnesium is the key. Take magnesium. It's not always that हमको salt ही कम करना है. Magnesium की कमी से blood pressure बढ़ता है. Latest studies. We can talk about it also.
And
ऐसे
what
तो आप
about
बात
that,
करते
doctor?
जाएंगे,
Like
हम लोग का कभी नहीं
one
खत्म होगा
query for
टॉपिक.
you, then we can go to Nagin. Yeah,
या
one query from my end to you.
हाँ
What about this numbness, in the arms and the legs? वो जो हम बोलते हैं ना चींटियां जैसी आती है
हाँ हाँ
पैरों में thing.
हाँ.
So
तो
how to combat that? Can you please?
ये आपको किस में ड्यूरिंग पेरीमेनोपॉज बोल रही हैं?
नहीं, जनरलाइज्ड मैं बोल रही हूँ बिकॉज आई वेंट इन टू एन अर्ली मेनोपॉज माई
हाँ
सेल्फ. I
हाँ
had an early menopause, but after that menopause, when I started having all these symptoms of weight gain and all,
हम्म
which was
हम्म
never earlier before. So
हम्म
for
हम्म
that, I am doing that control, portion control and all. But उसके बाद से
हम्म.
I'm finding that my numbness in the hands and the legs,
आप
too
डायबिटिक
much
तो
of
नहीं है?
that tingling sensation in the legs, tingling
आर यू डायबिटिक?
sensation in the legs. No.
तो then आलिया बाजी, आई थिंक यू शुड जस्ट see that if you're sitting for too long, that is one cause कि एक ही पोजीशन में बहुत सारे ऑफिस वाले लोग खासकर बैठे रहते हैं ना. ऑल्सो यू टेक दिस न्यूरोबियन एंड ऑल द मल्टीविटामिन, स्पेशली B6 B12, और आप अपना विटामिन डी जरूर लें. विटामिन डी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इट विल हेल्प यू विद
Vitamin
दिस
D I am
नमनेस.
taking.
या इट विल हेल्प. फिर भी अगर ये मतलब
Is it
वर्स
genetic
होने लगता
also,
है.
doctor?
हाँ,
Is it genetic also?
नहीं, दैट इज व्हाट आई वाज कमिंग टू. फिर भी अगर ये कम नहीं होता तो एक बार तो आपको फिजिशियन को दिखाना पड़ेगा बिकॉज कभी कभी ऑटो इम्यून डिजीजेस से होता है. तो वो तो वही लोग पता कर पाएंगे कि क्या रीजन है. आपका नर्व कंप्रेशन होता है बहुत बार, उससे होता है. या अगर आपको डिस्क में कोई प्रॉब्लम है लोअर बैक में, तो ये उससे भी होता है. कभी नर्व दबती हैं वहां पर. लेकिन ज्यादातर ये B12 की डेफिशिएंसी से होता है. थायराइड है आपको? थायराइड में भी
Absolutely.
होता है ये.
Yeah,
Even in thyroid patients, diabetes, pre-diabetes.
thyroid. I am a thyroid
Yeah.
patient.
Yes. Then thyroid वालों को ये बहुत common है होना. You can
Mhm.
only take the
We
supplements
have
and
Nafia's one question in the chat box, then you can
Alia
have.
Baji, I have to go at
Nagin can
1.
take over. That's
So,
what I
yeah,
meant.
because
Nagin can take over.
I thought the questions would be coming at the end. Then, if it is going to be, I have to leave at 1. So, make a choice there. Otherwise, I
No,
really
that's
don't
what
know
I'm
how.
saying. Sana will answer Nafia's question and hand over to you. Then over to
Nafia का
you,
क्या question
Nagin.
है? Can you tell? I cannot see. हाँ, Nafia. Doctor, can
Doctor,
you
can
please
you
suggest
please?
what would you recommend which cover vitamin D, iron, magnesium, like include all the vitamin. All vitamin D तो देखो आप अलग से लो. ठीक है. विटामिन डी जिसमें बहुत सारे मल्टीविटामिन के साथ होता है ना, वो तो बहुत कम क्वांटिटी में होता है. सबसे पहले विटामिन डी का टेस्ट कराओ. इफ इट इज नॉर्मल तो एटलीस्ट आपको रिकमेंडेड है कि 2000 इंटरनेशनल यूनिट्स डेली लो. नहीं तो एक नाम से आता है यूरो डी के नाम से आता है, उसमें 10,000 होता है, वो वीकली ले लो. इट्स ओके. यूएई में इट्स वेरी वेरी कॉमन विटामिन डी डेफिशिएंसी, वो लो. आयरन, मैग्नीशियम और मल्टीविटामिन एक कॉम्पैक्ट होगा, वो अलग से आप ले सकते हो, वो आता है अच्छा. बट डोंट टेक एनीथिंग विच हैज विटामिन डी अलोंग विद ऑल दीज थिंग्स, क्योंकि उसमें विटामिन डी का क्वांटिटी बहुत कम होता है. ओके. थायराइड चेक करा लीजिए अगर आपको है ये सब प्रॉब्लम्स आलिया बाजी की तरह की नमनेस वगैरह की, तो थायराइड जरूर टेस्ट करा लीजिए अपना। कोई और आता रहे ना दिमाग में, आप अपना ग्रुप में डाल दीजिएगा, आई विल आंसर यू, ऑल ऑफ यू।
Yeah, Neurobion will be a good one for Alia Baji, I think, because it has many B complex and this tingling and numbing. Usually, like Sana said, it is mostly because of deficiency in your B complex. So nerve damage bhi ho sakta hai. Isn't it, Sana? Am I
Yeah,
right?
I enumerated all those things, yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so
And I think
I think I'll hand
magnesium
over to.
glycinate is perfect, no, Sana, as you recommended me also.
Yes, yes, yes.
Samira is asking that. I think you recommended me that the same
Yeah,
thing, right?
glycinate, yes.
So
Let's
that
hand
is
over to
perfect.
Nagin because she has to go
Yeah,
also. For
Nagin
me,
can
questions
take
can be
over.
asked later.
Hi, everyone. So happy to be here. And, you know, everybody's done such a share. Yeah. So all I wanted to say was Sana did such a great job already. She's covered most of what I also wanted to talk. And Alia Baji brought us all in such a good zone by meditating and all that. I want to welcome all of you. Sabko dher sara, love and everything. So I just want to tell you about myself. Like, if you can see the screen, like I'm a certified nutritionist, multiple certifications hai, and one such is from IIN Newark. Okay. And then, yeah. So I also want to tell you guys that I have I've written 2 of my books, Alchemize Yourself and Nutrition Simplified. And I have a course also. And I have a course there, basically. And it's called The Easiest Way to Lose Weight. And I have my platforms as a influencer. So ये सब है. And what is happening here is I'm trying to open up some pages here, which, yeah, it's because this is blocking it. Yeah, give me a minute. So you can see that. Can you see this? Can you see on the screen all that I'm sharing? The easiest way to lose weight. It's a course that's on Udemy. Okay, and these are the books. Alchemize Yourself and Nutrition Simplified. ये सारे available है Amazon पे. These are Nikat was asking for weight loss and all this will really help her. And yeah, coming to right now I'm doing my Jay Shetty certification in life coach. So all this is about me. So I have prepared for you all a demonstration of thing which you can see here. I will put this apart. There you go. So I will say, can you see this on the screen, guys? Is it, Sana, can you see?
Yes,
Yeah, I
okay.
can see.
You can see the presentation. Yeah.
Yes,
So Sana has mostly covered everything that I wanted to say. So what is PCOD? Like she's saying, it's primarily a hormonal imbalance where the ovaries can become enlarged, and it's not classified as a disease basically because it's quite manageable. On the other hand, the PCOS, she said, is very, very serious. Like you can see, it is a bigger concern with metabolic disorders. And the differences, Sana ne सारे cover कर दिए जो मैं बोलना चाह रही थी. Obviously, as a doctor, she knows better. And PCOD is a condition, and PCOS is a syndrome. So hormonal imbalances is the cause for PCOD, and hormonal and metabolic disorders is for PCOS. Lifestyle changes can be managed by PCOD, but you need medical intervention for your, PCOS. So, yeah, then we go on to say that the prevalence ke kitna hai, 1 in 5 women, that's 20% from adolescents have this, and most common between the age groups of 18 to 25. The causes can be genetic, insulin resistance, inflammation, and poor lifestyle. Sedentary life होती है आपकी, तो ये हो जाता है. So, like I was saying, the role of nutrition, this is where I come in. This is mostly useful for people in PCOD and also for PCOS, but medical intervention is required. So, how this will help is by stabilizing your insulin levels. हिंदी में बोलना जरूरी है या you guys can manage? Anything
No,
I can
I think
speak?
everybody can understand. Say in whatever you're comfortable in.
Yeah, I'm more comfortable in English, but I can speak fluent Hindi also.
Then
But
speak
as a
in both
present,
Hindi, English.
as a present, I'm more comfortable in English. तो हिंदी भी समझ आती है, so no issue, guys. कुछ भी पूछना है हिंदी में भी पूछ सकते हो. And like I said, the role of nutrition is basically we got to stabilize insulin levels, support hormonal balance, and reduce inflammation. This will help also in managing your weight. It's like a side effect. Like Alia Baji was saying that weight loss is not primary. Being healthy is very important. So, लेकिन as when you do all this, automatically आपका वजन कम हो जाएगा. So coming next is we'll deal one by one. Okay, we start with blood sugar levels because PCOD में this is very primary. ये बहुत जरूरी होता है कि insulin resistance is a major driver for both the conditions. Stabilizing blood sugar helps regulate hormones and improves symptoms. And nutrition is your strongest tool in managing polycystic ovary syndrome. Okay. So what you should eat to bring your sugar levels in manageable things so that you don't have insulin resistance or diabetes or things like that, which are a byproduct of PCOD. So पहली तो बात आपको low GI food खाना चाहिए. That is because it absorbs slowly and it will help insulin spikes. Meaning आपके इंसुलिन जो मीठा खाने से और हाई ग्लाइसेमिक फूड खाने से एकदम ऊपर जाता है, that will be managed. Few of the examples are, of course, your oatmeal and your quinoa and blueberries and green leafy vegetables. ये थोड़े मैंने examples दिए हैं, but if you go search for the table, you will get a lot of information कि कौन से low GI food है. As a person who is under this condition, primarily आपको ये खाना है कि low GI foods खाना पड़ेगा. It is hard, like Sana says, to sustain this, but it will bring great results. Okay, and then the power of fiber. And think 1 minute. Wait, I think this has gone, yeah, low glycemic, and now eat protein in every meal. Protein slows digestion, keeps you full, and balances sugar level. सबको पता है अभी कि protein. Yeah, so we said about the low glycemic food, and then we're moving on to eating protein. कि protein कितना जरूरी होता है कि every meal you need to have at least 30 grams of protein. All this we are still considering about how to maintain good blood sugar levels. तो पहला तो है कि glycemic index, low glycemic index के खाने खाना चाहिए. Then you have to increase your proteins. We all know that they're both vegetarian and non-vegetarian sources of protein. ये भी होता है. And then you have the power of fiber. किसी को constipation था. I think they had a big issue. So this fiber not really improves your insulin sensitivity and your gut health, but it also helps with your motion. So, you know, things like chia seeds and all that. We'll make this full screen so that apples, chia seeds, broccoli, all this is fiber. तो आपको फाइबर भी खाना चाहिए, प्रोटीन खाना चाहिए, ग्लाइसेमिक फूड खाना चाहिए. And what to avoid is processed foods like your breads, pastas, sugary drinks and food and things like that. And coffee, tea, Sanal kill me, but this also affects, and processed foods, okay? And key nutrients for blood sugar, ये supplement में भी लिए जा सकते हैं, but you can opt for general food also, like magnesium बहुत जरूरी होता है to maintain. तो almonds, spinach, bananas, then zinc is a key nutrient also. तो pumpkin seeds है. Zinc for your skin, guys, like pimples है या आपके eczema है, you have some issues with your skin pigmentation है and all that. So that is very good. And then chromium. This also reduces your, manages your blood sugar. Broccoli, grape juice, yeast, and omega-3s. Omega-3 तो बहुत important, essential supplement है. But you can get it through food sources like fish, chia seeds, walnuts. Vitamin D, again, Dr. Sana said, this is important, right? And egg yolks में होता है, best is sunshine, धूप पे चले जाओ, but go early morning, between 6 to 8 is a good time to get your vitamin D. And inositol, funny, this one is actually a sugar, a type of sugar, but this will help maintain blood sugar. तो इसमें contradiction लगता है, but नहीं है. This is very important nutrient for your PCOS and PCOD. Now, cantaloupes, citrus foods, and almonds, or you can supplement this. अब चलते हैं कि हार्मोनल बैलेंस के लिए क्या खाना चाहिए. Like we said, protein, healthy fats, and fiber. This also is very, very important for your hormonal health. Types of healthy fats, omega-3 rich food, like your fatty fish, salmon, sardines, flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. So benefits is it regulates your menstrual cycle and reduces androgen levels. ये androgen levels क्या होते हैं? These are male hormones. तो ये PCOS और PCOD लड़कियों में and ladies में male hormones ज़्यादा होते हैं. That's why you see facial hair and chin पे or sides पे and all, you see a lot of hair. Their testosterone are high. तो basically इनके male hormones ज़्यादा होते हैं. उनको कम करने के लिए आप healthy fats खाना पड़ेगा. And then seed cycling, guys. This is so important to maintain a healthy menstrual cycle. तो जो आपका follicular stage होता है या stage day from also your early days, like from day 1 to day 14, what you need to eat is pumpkin seeds and flax seeds. एक tablespoon. Remember, the seeds have to be sauteed first, yeah, or at least dry roasted. ऐसे ही मत खाना because they have phytonutrients. So first 14 days आपको you have to have flax seeds and pumpkin seeds, and the next, which is called as luteal phase, जो आपके 15 दिन 15th day of your period till your period, you have to have sunflower seeds and sesame seeds. The first one is आपके जब period चलता रहता है, that is the time when estrogen levels are required. So sesame seeds, somebody was also asking कि estrogen कम होता है तो क्या करें. So these are phytoestrogens, your pumpkin seeds and your flax seeds. They help with estrogen support. और luteal phase में आपको progesterone का जरूरत होता है. These both are sex hormones which are required for your menstrual female sex hormones, especially for but estrogen तो males में भी आ जाता है. Sometimes like PCOS, even they have when a man is compromised, he has more estrogen levels in him. लेकिन अब we are discussing about females, and next half of your cycle you have to have your sesame and your sunflower seeds. Now, last to handle in nutrition is inflammation. Chronic inflammation is common in polycystic ovary syndrome and worsens insulin resistance and hormonal imbalance. तो इन्फ्लेमेशन से आपका PCOS and PCOD बहुत खराब हो सकता है. Reducing inflammation can improve symptoms. कोई एक्ने के बारे में पूछ रहा था, irregular cycles and weight gain. एक्ने के लिए आपको टॉपिकल एप्लीकेशन से थोड़ा बहुत फायदा हो जाएगा, but basically you will benefit by reducing your inflammation in anti-inflammatory foods. Those are like berries. Yeah, we know कि berries में आजकल everybody's got a lot of pesticides in it, but आपको 1 घंटा soak करना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा नमक डाल के, थोड़ा baking soda डाल के, rinse it nicely. Berries, strawberries, even though there is a lot of pesticides in them, their benefits, health benefits are so high, especially for these young women, that it improves almost all your symptoms. तो ये बहुत जरूरी होता है. So like I said, ऐसी चीजों को आप soak करें at least 1 hour with salt and with some baking soda, rinse it nicely and have even your green leafy vegetables, spinach, kale. They're very rich in polyphenols, magnesium and your vitamin E. Again, skin के लिए क्या जरूरी है? Your vitamin E is very, very zaruri cheez hai to have a nice glowing skin, clean skin. You can have vitamin C capsules also. Fatty fish. I don't know how many of you are vegetarians. You people can go for flax seeds, omega seeds and things like that. They have protective thing, C-creatine, protein. Turmeric, haldi jo bolte hain, contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory thing. ये तो most Indians know कि ginger और turmeric में anti-inflammatory properties होती हैं. And green tea, it contains EGCG, known to lower inflammation markers. तो आपको ये 3 चीज का ध्यान रखना है कि आपका blood sugar maintained रहना है, okay? And then your hormone के लिए खाना है, that is eat your healthy fats, protein, and your inflammation को control में रखना है by eating food that are anti-inflammatory. इंडिया में ज्यादातर हम लोग anti-inflammation के लिए ginger और turmeric use करते हैं, but all the other things that I mentioned also are important. अभी now supplements, people like seem to ask कि supplements चाहिए. Before I told you supplements for your to maintain your insulin levels. This is on the whole for polycystic ovary syndromes. That is B complex, like Alia Baji was saying that she feels numbness. There's something called Neuroban that's available in India for your all nerve problems, which can also happen for PCOD people. B complex is very essential. Folate, आपको मालूम है कि this is for your blood sugar levels कितना जरूरी होता है. And zinc for your skin and for maintaining your blood sugar levels also. Magnesium आपकी नींद के लिए, for your muscle mass, all that. Omega-3 is required for everything basically. तो मैंने doses भी लिखा हुआ है इधर. There are the vitamin D again. These are non-negotiable, and inositol. आप देखेंगे some of those supplements are overlapping. And if you have to choose any 3 or 4, I would say folate for PCOD, omega-3 and vitamin D, magnesium. इतना तो आप please लीजिए, because supplementation is not wrong, because otherwise you have to have a very mindful eating and you have to cover a wide range of food. जो मैंने बताया है वो sincerely करना पड़ेगा. So for people like, supplements is not so harmful. You have to see, like बहुत सारे fillers है क्या, additives है क्या, कहाँ से raise किए हैं, is it all organic? तो जितना ये सब supplements cover करते हैं कि they don't have fillers, they don't have additives, they don't have their sourced from very good and research has been done. ये सब अगर itna thing, then they will cost you also more. They're very good brands. I buy my supplements from iHerb. They are not giving me anything for this. iHerb से आपको अच्छे क्वालिटी की supplements मिल जाएंगे. They are very, and brands like California Gold and all are very good. अब चलते हैं एक्सरसाइज के लिए. आप आपको मिनिमम 5% कम करना पड़ेगा बॉडी वेट. इवन दो लाइक पीपल थिंक के बॉडी वेट इट डजंट मैटर, इट डज मैटर थोड़ा बहुत. एटलीस्ट आप 70 किलो के हैं तो आप 3.5 kg कम कर लीजिए. ओके, कटिंग डाउन इवन दैट मच विल हेल्प यू टू अ ग्रेट एक्सटेंट. तो ऐसा नहीं कि आपको 10-15 किलो कम करे तो फायदा होगा. एज स्मॉल एज 5% ऑफ योर बॉडी वेट विल हेल्प यू. सो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एक्सरसाइजेस? डीप स्क्वाट्स, फॉरवर्ड एंड बैकवर्ड लंज. स्क्वाटिंग तो सबको मालूम है कि अपने घुटनों पे खड़े होके, आई मीन यू हैव टू गो डाउन एंड अप एंड डाउन एंड अप. लंज होता है कि एक पैर आगे, लाइक द लेडी इज डूइंग हियर in the image, that is backward and forward lunges. Lateral hops, आपको साइड से साइड कूदना भी है और स्क्वाट भी करना है. High elbow, like you have to go like this and like this, like alternate knees touching your elbows. This, and why these exercises are important? Because your reproductive organs are activated and they increase your blood circulation to these important things like your ovaries, your pelvis area, all these things, and benefits the improved blood circulation will benefit you. But what you need to avoid is intense exercising. Kyun? Because the hormone called cortisol, when a hormone like cortisol rises, it will stress बढ़ जाएगा. Stress बढ़ने से नींद नहीं आएगी. नींद नहीं आने से all the problems will come. So this and yoga poses, yoga asanas are butterfly poses, like the lady is sitting down there, but you have to raise your knees up and down like a butterfly goes, no? I say. So it's called Titli asana. Then garland pose. Garland pose is like you would sit in a deep squat with your hands forward like this. Many people may not be able to do a garland pose. You can do a boat pose, that is Naukasana. That is, you lift your legs and arms like this forward. You can screenshot this and Google, you will find these asanas. And the boat pose is when you lie down flat on your stomach and lift your arms and legs. That's a bow pose. And then you have to actually hold your toes from the back. Cobra pose, I think this is a very common pose where you lie down on your stomach, rest your palms and raise your upper body. Again, hold all these for 30 seconds. These asanas are very good for polycystic ovary syndrome. Why? Because again, it stimulates your organs, that is your reproductive organs, and also help with weight loss, because exercise always combined with good nutrition and good sleep will bring down your weight. I have lost 20 kilos and my books will help you, and my course on Udemy, the easiest way to lose weight, will definitely help you. I think there are some ladies here who really want to lose weight. कुछ नहीं तो Instagram पे और YouTube पे follow कर लो at HN Fatima पे, आपको free exercises भी मिल जाएंगे, and topics I've covered wide and many things can be done. So conclusion is lifestyle changes work wonders for polycystic ovary syndrome, and eating for hormonal health, improving your insulin sensitivity, along with anti-inflammatory diet goes a long way. Exercising regularly and losing 5% of your body weight will help you to a great extent. And supplements smartly, like I've given the list of supplements also for you all. Okay, so ye ho gaya. So let me end this and we can start with so I will stop the screen share. We can start with the questioning. So can you see me now in the full screen? Sana, can you see me?
I can see you.
Yeah. Any questions? There were ladies who wanted some help.
Yes, Fatima, there is a question in the chat box, dear.
Okay. Good
Samira is
information.
asking about the supplement. देखो.
I'm not able to scroll it. Can you help me? Squats तो
Yeah.
हम लोग उठक बैठक बोलते हैं. Okay. Please share name of omega-3 supplements. California
हाँ.
Gold is a good option. Go to iHerbs. Download that app and उसमें you will get new करके NUW में मिल जाएगा, California Gold में मिल जाएगा. There are many brands. Health करके है, Life करके है. So all these are good brands. And if you message me or DM me, I will send you pictures also.
अच्छा, these are plant based Nagin.
Omega
ये
3s,
जो ब्रांड आप बोल रहे हैं जी जी
you
जो brand
omega
name
3
है।
supplements, yeah, you get both.
जी जी
जो मच्छी के होते हैं with your EPA and DHA, they are very good. Supplements तो है, आप फिर भी if you're so careful, then you do get omega 3s,
Yeah,
like
because
because I said,
Samira is asking that without fish.
please share the name of omega 3 supplements without fish.
She has
uh,
shellfish allergy, she's saying.
I
So
see. Okay, Samira,
let me
I
tell you,
will.
fish, there is one brand which is called Solgar, SOLGAR.
Yeah, Solgar is a good
It's
brand.
vegetarian और उसमें बहुत अच्छी क्वांटिटी में DHA होता है और
Mhm.
बहुत अच्छी क्वांटिटी में ओमेगा 3 होता है, 900 something I think.
Okay. Can you please
Yeah,
type Sun in
make
the
sure.
chat box?
Yeah.
They can take a
Yeah,
screenshot sometime.
make sure your EPA is there and DHA both are there, so you will benefit. And minimum
correct.
will be 1000 mg. ज्यादा जितना 2000 तक लेंगे तो बढ़िया. Okay, but if you can supplement, if you're a vegetarian, flax seeds खा लो, walnuts 4-5 खा लो. Or if you're a non-vegetarian, have you know, small fishes, fatty fishes. वो खाने से आपका ओमेगा 3 अच्छा रहेगा, but still you can
So
supplement with.
Fatima, this Solgar is available on Amazon.
It's available in your Life store here only. इधर Life Pharmacy है ना, इधर भी मिल जाएगा.
अच्छा
Solgar is a very popular
और
brand here in
बहुत
Dubai.
कॉस्टली है क्या? very
अगर
costly.
इतना कॉस्टली नहीं चाहिए तो Amazon is not solely for supplements. तो आपको like I was saying रिसर्च किए हुए प्रोडक्ट्स चाहिए, अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स चाहिए जिसमें फिलर्स नहीं है, एडिटिव्स नहीं है and all that. थोड़ा you have to download something. I'll type it here. It's an app. iHerb. तो ये आप डाउनलोड करो एंड यू पुट इन द सप्लीमेंट व्हाट सप्लीमेंट यू वांट. आपको बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स मिल जाएंगे. लाइक माय फेवरेट इज कैलिफोर्निया गोल्ड. ये प्राइस भी मॉडरेशन में है, बहुत सस्ता नहीं, बहुत महंगा नहीं, एंड आसानी से मिल जाता है. एक हफ्ते में आपको डिलीवर. दिस इज फ्रॉम अमेरिका. मेरा एजुकेशन भी ज्यादातर अमेरिका से है एंड राइट नाउ आल्सो आई एम डूइंग जे शेट्टी सर्टिफिकेशन जो अमेरिका से ही है. So that's why I struggle sometimes. But I do my research India wise also. बहुत सारा पढ़ती हूँ मैं when it comes to Indian food also.
Nagin, this what you mentioned, no, with iHerb, you please put in that attendees group also.
I have
So
already
they will.
put, no, I heard. Oh, you want me to put it in the attendees group?
बाद में,
Yeah.
हाँ, after the
Okay.
session.
Okay, I'll do it. I'll do it. Yeah. तो
Because
Hello,
here
yeah.
mostly people ये supplements covered नहीं होते ना इंश्योरेंस में.
इंश्योरेंस में
तो
नहीं होते. आपको
हाँ,
4-5 तो लेना ही पड़ेगा. लाइक आई सेड, ओमेगा 3, विटामिन डी, पॉलिसिस्टिक ओवरी सिंड्रोम है तो फॉलेट. एंड अगर आप ऑन मेनोपॉज के बाद हैं तो कोलेजन इज अ मस्ट. ओके, मेनोपॉज आपका हो गया है तो अपने घुटनों के लिए, आपके यू नो मेनी पीपल फेस दिस प्रॉब्लम्स, जॉइंट पेन एंड ऑल दैट. तो कोलेजन सप्लीमेंट 5000 mg तक आप लिए. नहीं तो आप नॉन वेजिटेरियन फूड खाते हैं तो यू कैन गो फॉर योर पाया, योर बोन सूप, बोन ब्रॉथ एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट. और कुछ
वो तो
सवाल
natural
है?
हो गए अच्छे है ना.
हाँ, नेचुरल से
Bone broth
बेहतर
में
है.
दोनों natural.
नेचुरल से बेहतर है आपके लिए, बट अगर नेचुरल नहीं है तो दिस इज व्हाट आई एम सजेस्टिंग
So
कि
collagen, like Nagin, collagen tablet form is also fine and powder form is
या
also fine.
कैप्सूल्स, या पाउडर में क्या होता है, कभी कभी टेस्ट आ जाता है. मेनी पीपल डोंट लाइक द फ्लेवर. तो मैं तो कैप्सूल्स लेती हूँ. इट्स वेरी गुड फॉर योर स्किन, हेयर, नेल्स, एवरीथिंग एंड योर जॉइंट पेन. अगर यू नो आई वर्क आउट
There
a
is
lot.
one question in the chat box, Nagin.
Which oil can you use for cooking? See, I have so many oils here which are anti-inflammatory. ये दिख रहा है screen पे. It's avocado oil. देखो, avocado oil. मैंने इधर Amazon से खरीदा है. Is it too bright? My screen? थोड़ा brightness कम करूं?
हाँ, since you have shown this avocado oil again, I want to ask you, महंगा है क्या ये बहुत? Because I have also
ये 20 दिरहम में मिला मुझे Amazon पे. 20 दिरहम में मिला. और टेस्ट में फ्लेवर में कुछ थिंग डीप फ्राई कर सकते हो. And then you have this oil, mustard oil. Okay. This is also a good oil for deep frying and anti-inflammatory. अपना coconut oil, edible mode लेना, ये बाल लगाने वाला नहीं, edible लिखा होता है. तो ये coconut oil for your chips and your pakoras and all that. Don't please, ladies.
better to avoid chip
Yeah,
pakoda.
yeah, totally. But अगर कभी बारिश हो रही है और मन करता है तो and this extra virgin olive oil. मेरे पास इतने सारे तेल हैं because I'm a little health conscious. Little नहीं काफी. And this is for your dressing, like your salad. इसमें आप तलना मत. Don't fry anything with this. Opt for sorry.
Not for cooking also. Not also for
Cooking,
cooking, right? Because
सौटे तक जो 5 मिनट में बन जाएगा फटाफट. Like आपके vegetables बटर के साथ mix करके for your vegetables. I didn't keep it here. मेरे पास बड़ा कैन है देसी घी. Having problems with your skin and your thing, right? अपना देसी घी is very good. And you know, for your skin, can you see this? How do I show you? ये जो दिख रहा है, ये raisins है. Okay, I've soaked them overnight, so you can see these raisins.
black raisins.
तो black raisins, इसको खाने से आपकी bloating during the period will be reduced and also for your skin health. केसर है ना, अलग बोल में dip करें and raisins करें and it's fine. तो केसर के साथ consume करें and start of 10 days before your period only. Regular खाने से भी आपका iron बनते हैं. That also will increase your hemoglobin. Any other questions?
Raisin and saffron is okay for मतलब बात के लिए भी for people having bloating issues and all.
Bloating के लिए, yes. Bloating के लिए.
Not during menses, normal time पे भी अगर किसी को bloating का issue है.
Bloating के अजवाइन खा सकते हैं, जीरा, mint tea, all this will help you. Ajwain, zira, mint tea, even ginger tea will help you. But definitely even raisins, you have to consume this. आप अगर दही भी बना के खाए, उसमें थोड़े raisins डाल दे. अपने घर में भी बना सकते हैं, which I do. उसी में मैं कभी raisins डाल देती हूँ. What you have to do is एक कटोरी में आप 1 tablespoon दही लो. बाकी का औंटा हुआ दूध लेके उसमें बीट करो दही को, फिर दूध मिलाओ. कटोरी जितना चाहिए उतनी. And then you leave it in a warm place, like maybe I put it inside. Here with you. क्या पूछ रही थी आप?
हाँ, that's what I was asking again about the tingling thing, no? Neurobion.
Yeah, it's a nerve problem. Yeah, it's a nerve problem. Usually अगर like Sana was saying कि आपको diabetes है या कुछ other condition है तो अक्सर हो जाता है. Otherwise also it's quite.
Thyroid I have.
हाँ, तो common होता है. So Neuroban करके आपको दवा मिलती है. Double check with your doctor. It's basically for your thing. Regular people भी खा लेते हैं because it's a B complex basically. You'll get B complex with zinc. ये जरूरी होता है कि आपको तो 100% you need to take B complex. Whether you take Neuroban or you take any other brand.
If we don't get this brand in UAE, any other brand is there for UAE people?
UAE people for B complex
in India.
Yeah, but here you will get many B complex things. Solgar में भी मिल जाएगा, like so इधर Life Pharmacy में new करके brand है इधर locally available, उसमें मिल जाएगा. and also there are iHerb आप डाउनलोड कर लेंगी ना आलिया बाजी. It all the products are from America, लेकिन आपको एक हफ्ते में सब मिल जाएंगे. If you don't want to do that, local pharmacy में आप जाके you can ask for Solgar or New, NEW, New. It's not new, it's New.
न्यूरोबियन में बेसिकली B1, B6 और B12 होता है आलिया बाजी. तो वो आपको बहुत सारे, जैसे नगीन इज सेइंग, ये जो NOW वाली है, नाउ सोल्गर, इन सब में मिलेगा आपको.
Okay.
Yeah, it's NOW,
Yes,
sorry.
Sabina is saying it's available in Life Pharmacy.
Life Pharmacy. B complex मिल जाएगा आपको. But if you have
चेक
B,
करिए कि आपके उसके अंदर B1, B6, B12 हो. ये
yeah,
important
she
है
knows the
because
nuances. Yeah.
I mean, pyridoxine or cobalamin.
Okay.
This will
So
definitely
like,
help you.
Fatima, I wanted to ask you one query. As I was asking Sana about this tingling thing, is it genetic or what? Why I asked? Because my youngest son is complaining the same thing to me.
But
And
usually
when
doesn't
I tell him
happen.
you are so small.
Yeah.
And he's very young. He's just 16. So I told him you are so young, beta. So he is telling me maybe it is genetic. So
इतने
I
छोटों
just
में तो
wanted to
I don't think it's common. कभी कभी psychologically भी बच्चे affect हो जाते हैं कि sometimes my kids also will say मामा मेरे genetics से आपके वजह से मुझे but get a complete blood work done. B complex, B vitamin के हो जाते हैं test, like on the counter भी हो जाते हैं, because D vitamin, B vitamin, ये सभी आप कोई भी lab में जाके अपना blood दे दो तो कर देंगे. You don't even have to see a doctor. Yeah, so पता चल जाएगा कि कौन सी deficiency है. अगर है तो better to get rare in kids, very rare in kids.
means
बी कॉम्प्लेक्स रिच फूड तो बहुत होते हैं बी कॉम्प्लेक्स में, स्पेशली ऑर्गन मीट एंड ऑल दैट आर वेरी गुड. जैसे लिवर है, एंड इवन नॉन वेजिटेरियन फूड हैज अ लॉट ऑफ बी विटामिन्स इन देम. तो या दैट विल बी गुड कि आप उसको थोड़ा बहुत ऑर्गन मीट जैसे गुर्दे है या लिवर है ये सब भी खिलाया कीजिए तो बी कॉम्प्लेक्स मिल जाएगा. लेंटिल्स में तक है देयर आपके दाल वगैरह में सब. आई सेंड यू अ लिस्ट आलिया बाजी ऑफ क्योंकि
So as an expert, you don't recommend for children, right?
I think it could be just that he's feeling, because sometimes ऐसा psychological होता है बच्चों में. But get a blood test done. Blood tests that like I said, only at least your vitamin test, B complex, they will do B vitamin test. On the counter they'll do. I mean, आपको कोई डॉक्टर को मिलने की जरूरत नहीं होती है. You can go to your labs and they will do vitamin test हो जाता है. B, C, D सब टेस्ट अवेलेबल हैं. बहुत रीजनेबल भी है और योर मेडिकेयर एंड ऑल दैट विल डू इट.
Hi, Samira here. I just want
Yes,
to add,
Samira.
in my childhood, I always had this B complex deficiency because I was a picky eater. So
I see.
so for 3 years, my mom used to give me these moong sprouts, a bowl of moong sprouts with
Yeah,
lemon and peppers.
lentils and sprouts.
Exactly.
Yeah.
3 to 4 years, I had consumed that, and then that was the best thing to do in my
So now
childhood.
you're free of this. Are you free of this?
Yeah. Alhamdulillah. It's all my eating. I eat.
Yeah. 80% of the time if you're eating clean and 20% अपने जान के लिए, खुशी के लिए, or you will find
better.
होल फूड्स. या होल फूड्स. या लेकिन आजकल पेस्टिसाइड्स का बहुत चल रहा है. सो ऑर्गेनिक खाने से ऑफ कोर्स यू हैव टू शेल थ्रू योर वॉलेट, व्हिच इज डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी आल्सो. तो आप सोकिंग किया कीजिए, whether it's your vegetables, soak them in salt and
I wash them
your
in
baking
vinegar.
soda.
I don't know if that's right or not.
Vinegar
Washing
is
in
also
vinegar.
great. Vinegar is also great, but खटास आ जाती है. Like have no flavor.
2-3 rinse करना पड़ता है. Right.
हाँ, बहुत सारे रिंस करना पड़े, but vinegar is also a good option.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Anybody wants to ask some questions related with nutrition, fitness as well? We have Nagin Fatima. She's a very
I think
expert
we have
into
5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minute करके
Yeah.
दिखा रहा है. So yeah,
Sure.
anybody, I'm willing to help.
Anything related with fitness as well. We will have next of our sessions, the ones who are attending, like I just wanted to ask you, would afternoon time be okay for you all? Because Dr. Sana and Fatima both are usually, busy during the mornings. So one day, like if it is say 4 to 5 a session or 4 to 5:30 like this, it would be okay for everyone? Because
Just type yes or no in the chat so we get an idea. I think Alia Baji can put a poll also, like giving time frames,
in
and
the group
then
we will put, in the group we'll put. Because I just wanted to do one session where I want Fatima and Sana both on board, where they will help you to read between the labels of these nutrients. Basically, we know all these names of nutrients, omega-3 and magnesium and all.
yeah.
But
So where
when
they're
you
sourced,
buy
how they're
over the
sourced.
counter, what percentage of that content we should look at, so they will help us how
The
to read
cleaner the
those.
supplement, the more expensive also. So we have to remember that because they have to do so much research. The fillers will be avoided, the additives will be avoided, and all that. तो थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर करके चलना है. But if you are so particular, go for a good brand. But if you want to read, I can help you with that also.
And Fatima, that collagen every day we have to take?
Yes, absolutely, every day. लेकिन आप हड्डियों का सूप पी रही हैं तो not required. On a regular basis आप अगर हड्डी का सूप पी रही हैं तो bone broth is available on Amazon also.
Nowadays, that trend is too much going on, no? Bone broth.
आपको बनाने में दिक्कत हो रही है तो bone broth is available on Amazon also. And also your Life Pharmacy and all will have these things. So, but yeah, collagen is somebody was saying.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, Samira here. What about the consequences of all these multivitamins in the hot climate? The Dubai is already like the climate is changing. It's already hot. I think feel multivitamins and all these give an internal heat to the body.
Feel like that. Actually, it doesn't because what are they? They're nothing but your food sources, natural food sources. That is one other thing. When you were talking about supplements, you have to see if they're synthetic or they're natural. Maybe this is also a nuance when it comes to your supplements. So if you're having high quality whole food ones, तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती. अगर होती है गर्मी का महसूस, डू सम साइक्लिंग रोटेटिंग मीनिंग थोड़े दिन ये खाओ थोड़े दिन वो खाओ एंड but if you feel this is very much required for you, up change, cooling foods like cucumbers, change, mint.
Right.
Yeah,
That's
the cooling foods. Yeah, include more of those if you're feeling the body heat and all that. And also by rubbing, जो वाटी होती है आपकी, this kind of, what is it? Copper की वाटी आती है. So if you have more body heat, put some ghee on the talwa of yours, foot, underneath, and rub for 5-10 minutes. So your toxins, your toxins also will be eliminated, and also the body heat will be reduced. Or mehendi talwo mein dalo, this also will bring down your heat.
Yeah, I use it for the hair
That
and
is
the
a
nails.
tried and tested thing, no,
Right.
Mehendi?
Yeah.
But that really works,
thank you.
Nagin, the ghee one which you told.
Yeah, I don't get time every day to do it, but whenever I remember, I kept it next to my bed only. So, I take that and rub my feet with that. And there is a
Even I
particular
do
way.
sometimes, not regularly,
Yeah.
but it
So
gives a
you'll
sound
detox
sleep
also. Yeah, helps with your sleep, it'll detox, it'll reduce your body heat, the toxins eliminated, and many benefits with copper. You can drink with the copper cup also. it, avoid once like it becomes black. तुम कितना भी दो, eventually the next day it turns black. That means it's oxidized. So just throw your copper cups and get a new one. तो इंडिया में ज्यादातर मिल जाता है इधर. Thing also you will get health benefits are
Get in Lulu, Fatima.
yeah. You'll get in Lulu also, right? And Center Point में भी मिलता है. Even your water bottles and make sure सिर्फ बाहर से copper नहीं है, अंदर से भी copper है. Sometimes they fool बाहर से copper होता है, अंदर से नहीं, and all that. I think we have just 1 minute left, guys. I will tell you it was so awesome,
Thank you so
and I'm
much. Yeah.
so grateful for each and every one of you.